Hey guys, what's up? This is Team 3D Math showing you guys a quick video on how to convert a fraction to a mixed number. And it's a pretty basic stuff. Fraction meaning you have a number at the top, which is the numerator, and a denominator, which is the number at the bottom. Converting to a mixed number, which is, a fraction and a number here. And you gotta remember, a mixed number, when you have, let's say, 2 and 1/2, simply means 2 plus 1/2. That's all it means. But a lot of people make the mistake of multiplying these things. This is not multiplication, this is actually addition. So let's show you how to convert a fraction to a mixed number. It's very simple. You have a fraction, let's say 11 over 2. You want to convert it to a mixed number. First thing you do is you see if you could simplify this. Can you simplify this? No. 11 breaks down into 11 times 1. 2 breaks down into 2 times 1. They're both prime numbers, so you can't simplify them further. So you just leave it as that. You write equal your fraction sign. The denominator always stays the same. Let me put some space here. The denominator always stays the same when you convert it from a fraction to a mixed number. Next thing you want to do is you want to find out a number that's going to go here and a number that's going to go up here. Now, the key to finding this number first is to just look at what goes into 11. 2 times what number gives you 11 or a number close to 11? Chances are if you're going from a fraction to a mixed number, you're looking for a number that you multiply 2 by to get you really close to 11 but not 11 actually, or not over. Well, 2 times 5 gives you 10. Well, 5 is obviously the number that you're going to put here. If you put a 6, what's going to happen? 2 times 6 is 12. You're going over 11. You don't want to use that. You don't want to use 2 times 3 or 2 times 4 because that gives you 8, and that's not the closest thing to 11. So 2 times 5 is the closest thing to 11 because 2 times 5 gives you a 10. And the number here is simply going to be the number that you're going to have to add to 2 times 5 to give you 11, which is 1. So let me do that at a slower pace. Remember, you write your equal sign, the line goes here, the 2 stays, and you try to figure out what 2 times what number gives you a number close to 11. We picked 5. So 2 times 5 gives you 10, but 10 is not 11. What do you have to add to 10 to get 11? You have to add a 1, so your 1 will go here. That's simply how it goes. Let's try another quick example. Let's say 9 over 2. First, you try to simplify this. You can't simplify because if you find the prime factorization of 9, it's 3 times 3, and the prime factorization of 2 is 2 times 1, and you can't cross anything out, so you can't simplify it. It remains 9 over 2. So equal line, the denominator goes across as always. What number goes here? Simple, simple. 2 times what gets you close to 9? 2 times 4 gets you close to 9, gives you an 8. 8 plus what gives you 9? 8 plus 1, so the 1 goes here. So 9 over 2 is the same thing as 4 plus 1/2. And that's it. Hope that helps. Another quick way of doing it is simply, if you have a 9 over 2 and you have a calculator, the 2 remains the denominator, and those two numbers are easier to use with a calculator. Just do 9 divided by 2. If you do 9 divided by 2, I believe you get 4.5. Forget that you cross out the decimal part and you just bring the 4 over. The 4 will go here, and then you do your 2 times 4, which is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So that's another way of doing it with a calculator. You get your decimal number and you just get rid of the decimal portion, and you keep the whole number here. All right, hope that helps. Like the video if it did. Team 3D Math.